So the re-stump has failed us. I don't know if you can see that with your highball fisheye thing, but that's going downhill big time. Where's it? See that? Watch it. See it? See it's going, I'll kick it up that way. It comes back this. Oh, it stopped.
It's hit a nail.
It's hit a nail. Pull it your way out. Downhill, my friends. Oh, was that in the centre? Look. See that centre? Look how much the floor's going down. That's been re-stumped, people. We can understand, look, he only got re-stumped to here, and, you know, it was hard for him to get under there, rah, 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 but still no excuse.
Yeah.
There's a lock on it.
Oh, yeah. Fantastic. Good job, Tony.
Fuck.
Are you right, mate?
Yeah, just fucking hit you level.
Yeah. I'll move that window every time. Yeah.
So do you want me to leave this last two in, or what do you want me to do here?
Nah, you can, like, say we're not doing nothing, so take the lot out. We want everything gone, including the side window.
Pardon, mate?
Hey!
B.
Down here.
C. B.
How's right, Tony?
Yeah, it feels good. Once you up.
Good.
What can you see? I can see a scary man, lots of scary things. Scary moose, scary moose. Oh, fucking Jesus. 10 points. Huh.
Yeah, I reckon that's disconnected, but...
Huh? You don't think it goes up right now? I'm going to have to cut that one too. We've been cut that first, I think.
What do you have to cut?
Up there.
Oh, the plate, yeah.
Because of the pipe.
You will.
God, it's fucking pain in the ass up there, but it's alright.
Well, but
no,
Tone,
no.
when you take the others out, that will slide down the pipe a little bit, so you'll be able to make
Like that?
Yeah. It
Yeah,
will,
yeah, I know.
it will a little bit.
Yeah, I'll cut it like that.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Perfect.
What is beyond there? Is there something I fucking hope I didn't cut that? Fuck, Joe.
What did you cut?
Fuck, man. Fuck. Did I cut that?
Hey?
Oh, fuck, I hope I didn't cut that.
What?
Oh, fucking lucky.
What is it?
Fucking, I don't know. That.
Oh, is it a joist?
I don't know what it is, but fucking lucky I didn't cut it. Isn't it?
I need a ladder to see.
Yeah. Fucking lucky, man. Lucky I'm careful. I was only just trying to miss the fucking...
that? Did you put that there?
No.
Oh, yeah, it's the truss.
Fuck,
No,
that's
don't cut that
so
one.
lucky, man.
Yeah, no.
Fuck, man.
Yeah, no, we don't
Oh, man, give me a heart attack.
cut. That's alright, keep fine.
Fuck. Scared to cut the other one now.
No, you don't run your chainsaw up there. We'll just take the studs out and let it start to drop. So if you take take these studs out, because it'll still be sitting around, it'll start to drop on the angle, and it'll put it in here.
Fuck, man, that's so lucky, Joe.
Yeah. I can tell you, I wouldn't have been happy if you had it.
Oh, I wouldn't have been. I think I would have been more upset than you.
I think so.
What's your face?
Yeah.
Oh, it's lifting the floor. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What's that? That's not even part of that. What's that shit about? Oh,
Don't stand on now.
oh boy. Yeah. Does it?
Yeah.
Sure. Fuck.
Yes, I've been.
Having babies.
I've been in the building since so long. I've been very lucky with standing on nails. I saw on a few that have gone through my boots, but lucky haven't penetrated my foot. But I have penetrated my foot, and it hurts like hell, and you can't see anything.
Especially if it's a dirty one. Freaking me out. Freaking out, man. Freaking out hard.